Your body is literally burning from inflammation. Stop ignoring the fire.
Is Moringa actually better for you than a daily multivitamin?
If you are struggling with constant fatigue, brain fog, or stiff joints, you have probably tried those messy green powders that taste like grass and get everywhere.
Most people are tired of swallowing giant pills that don't actually move the needle on their energy levels.
That is where Moringa magic comes in.
We have packed the miracle tree into easy to swallow capsules with zero bitter aftertaste.
You get a natural powerhouse of vitamin C, iron, and all 9 essential amino acids.
It's sustained, crash-free energy and mental clarity that actually fits your schedule.
Ready to upgrade your morning routine?
Click the link in our bio or the pinned comment to chat with our private AI concierge.
They will help you find the perfect supplement plan for your goals.
Moringa magic. Real nutrients, real energy, simple,